Hello. Today, we will be getting to know the legal structure of the MarketSpace project using all available open source information. To begin, I will start by showing the three main resources I used to construct today's presentation. First is the official website for the institutional investor at marketspace.solutions. Second is the official landing page of MarketSpace at marketspace.team. Third and final is the official resources page of the Business Center for the active investor of MarketSpace at gemforme.com. Let's start with the basics of what MarketSpace is. The landing page suggests that MarketSpace is a global trading financial platform based on the Gem4Me messenger. On Google Play, we see that the owner of Gem4Me is Gem4Me Holdings Limited. We know that the financing of the Gem4Me project ended in May 2019. The audit appraisal of the application in June 2020 was $464 million. The parent company, Gem4Me Investments plc, financed the project, and all of the information can be found at gem4meinvestments.eu/RU product appraisal. MarketSpace Solutions OU was established to develop and promote MarketSpace. The statutory documents of said solution are presented on the website marketspace.solutions/documents. Here, there are articles of association and the registration certificate, which contains complete information about the company, as well as indicating the type of activity in the field of computer programming. How are the two projects legally related? What are the necessary conditions for MarketSpace to exist on the Gem4Me platform? And how is the project financed? To answer these questions, let's take a look at the legal structures of the companies. This information can be found on the aforementioned landing page. Gem4Me Group of Companies is a group of European companies. They were created to develop and market the unique mobile application, Gem4Me Messenger, along with the MarketSpace trading and financial platform. The main companies of the Gem4Me Group are registered in Switzerland, Malta, Estonia, and the UK. Looking at the legal structure, we see above are two platforms. On the right, the Maltese company, Gem4Me Holdings Limited, which is the owner of the intellectual rights to the messenger and its client base. On the left-hand side, we see the Estonian company, MarketSpace Solutions OU. We will analyze this structure in stages. On the 20th of January in 2020, an exclusive licensing agreement was signed between Gem4Me Holdings Limited, Malta, and MarketSpace Solutions OU, Estonia, on the transfer of exclusive rights of the messenger. At this stage, the Estonian company created MarketSpace on the basis of the licensing agreement. Investment funds, joint stock companies, and qualified investors all participated in the financing of the project. These entities buy MarketSpace Solutions OU swap bonds. More information is available at marketspace.solutions under Investor Relations. MarketSpace Custodian Services Limited was established for private investors who are interested in supporting the company via venture capital investment. For more details on this jurisdiction, see the link in the description under the video. MarketSpace Custodian Services is also one of the main shareholders of MarketSpace Solutions, on the basis of the Memorandum of Agreement dated July 8, 2019, and the Share Purchase Agreement dated March 16, 2020. The latter is a full-fledged binding document which spells out the rights and obligations of the parties. Looking at the website marketspace.company cabinet documents, a memorandum is posted here where it is stated that, in accordance with this agreement, the Estonian company agrees and guarantees the transfer of up to 49% of its shares. In layman's terms, now MarketSpace Custodian Services owns 49% of the shares of the Estonian company. Now, the statutory documents. Created on March 11, 2019, the registration number is 100340. What needs to be noted is that the company issued 5 million registered shares with a par value of $30. These are the exact shares that will be owned by any and all private investors. A private investor purchases shares through a smart contract and with it buys tokens, then immediately swaps said tokens for shares. Let's see how this works. We go to the website of the company's store to the tokens section, marketspace.world/token. We can see that a MarketSpace token is an internal payment unit on the MarketSpace platform. This token is called a utility token, which means that it is a digital asset or a digital currency, if you will. The utility token gives users access to its functionality. That is, with the full launch of the platform, it will be possible to pay for goods and services using tokens. Currently, the token is required only for acquiring of MarketSpace Custodian Services shares. The first thing that a private investor does before the purchase is sign a document named the public offer. This is a three-way agreement between the individual, a purchaser, and MarketSpace Custodian Services for the purchase of MarketSpace tokens. The main point of this document is that these tokens can only be used within the MarketSpace platform and that they are not securities usable in the general market. Additionally, the company can request documents for the buyer to present verification that they are an adult, that the buyer independently made the decision to purchase, and that the price of one token is equivalent to €1. After the purchasing of tokens, the Purchase Act is uploaded into the buyer's online personal account, indicating the number of tokens purchased. Then the swap of shares for tokens takes place through the swap agreement. You can find a sample of the agreement at marketspace.company cabinet documents in your personal account. According to the agreement, the parties make the swap and MarketSpace Custodian Services will add the buyer to the registry as a shareholder of the company. For this, a licensed custodian of the register from Cyprus named ValueServe Fiduciaries Limited was involved, who assures the registry complies with the European Union's AML procedures. This custodian is the registrar of shareholders' property rights and the guarantor of the legality of the purchase and the sale of shareholders' assets. There is a three-way custodian agreement between MarketSpace Custodian Services, the shareholder, and the registrar. Posted on the website marketspace.company cabinet documents in your personal account. The agreement specifies the procedure for interaction between the shareholder, the client, and the registrar. For more information about the registrar, see our YouTube channel. The link will be in the description below. After being entered into the register, the shareholder receives a personal certificate where the number of their shares is indicated. The electronic form is located in the personal account of the shareholder. It can also be ordered in paper form. Continuing on, the company has decided to introduce a system of corporate activity ratios that can be found at marketspace.company cabinet documents. Simultaneously with the swap agreement, the shareholder is issued a certificate of notification about their corporate activity ratios, which are based on the amount of their investment and the number of shares. The document also explains that after the sale of the project, the profits will be distributed between all shareholders based on these ratios. By default, the agency agreement between MarketSpace Custodian Services and the shareholder is uploaded to the shareholder's personal account. The shareholder has the ability to perform actions as a commission agent and to receive an intermediary interest for doing so. Let's summarize. All the links we need are posted in the information section of the Business Center for the active investor of MarketSpace. The corporate online store also contains the Token Purchase Act. In the shareholder's personal account can be found the following list of general company documents. 1. Market-Based Custodian Services Statutes. 2. The Memorandum of Understanding between Market-Based Solutions and Market-Based Custodian Services, where the ownership of the Marshalls Company is fixed at 49%. 3. Market-Based Custodian Services decision on the introduction of the corporate activity ratios. 4. A sample summary and explanation of the corporate activity ratios. 5. The three-way custodian agreement between Market-Based Custodian Services, the shareholder, and the registrar. 6. The swap agreement. 7. The agency agreement for a commission agent. In the same location can be found the shareholder's personal documents. 1. The agent agreement. 2. Personal summary of corporate activity ratios. 3. The swap agreement of tokens for shares. 4. Custodian registry agreement. By holding of Market-Based Custodian Services shares, the shareholder de facto owns Market-Based Solution shares. There is a saying, where there is no knowledge, there is no courage. And now that we have an idea of both the legal structure of the project and the corresponding legal documents, now we see the logic, the consistency, and the transparency of this legal structure. Therefore, I wish us all confidence, courage, and action. Good luck, my friends.